Farrah Aulia. I'm from class 8, diploma 4, number 9. So today I will explain about apple sorting conveyor as the last term assignment. The task is a conveyor is used to sort apple's quality. The sensor used is camera. If the apple is rotten, then it will be pushed aside into the basket on the conveyor side. The sorting process is carried out by shafts coupled with DC motors. The indicator that the apple is rotten is that the camera sensor output is equal to 0 volts. Good apples will be forwarded by the conveyor to the edge. The conveyor will work after the user presses the start button. The start and stop button work if there are no apples on the conveyor. In case of emergency, toggle switch is used. Emergency switch will stop all process even though there are still apples on the conveyor. The assignment is to make electronic control circuit by analogizing camera sensor output as push button. If there are 10 rotten fruits, alarm will sound and the engine will stop. So this is the start and stop button. This is a camera sensor where in close position means indicates no apples on the conveyor, and when in normally open condition is indicates apple. There are apples on the conveyor. This is the conveyor, and then the counter sensor, so it will count. The sensor will rotten apples, and when the sensor detects rotten apple, the D flip-flop will start the count. When the sensor counts until 10 rotten fruits, the output from yeah, when the binary code is 1010, the output will be input for n component. When the input is 0 and 0, then the output will be 0. And when the output is 0, the buzzer will on, and the LED here indicates that the buzzer is on. This is the emergency switch, and when the emergency switch is on, the engines will stop immediately. So, when there's no apple on the conveyor, we can stop the engine. In case there's still apple on the conveyor, we cannot stop the engine. The conveyor is still running, and when in case of emergency, the conveyor will stop. When the counts until 10, the buzzer will on and the engine will. So all from me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.